everybody. Okay, for today we're going to be talking about some kinds of topic that maybe could scare you, but it's pretty fun. Called Should We Eat Bugs? What are bugs, actually? And what do we eat them? Like, I don't mean here. Going around the garden, you see, oh my god, a caterpillar. Catch it and put it inside your mouth. No, I mean bugs that have been made. And think about this. Eating bugs? Like, a lot of people hate bugs. Eventually, if they see a bug, they're probably like yelling up or killing them right away. How could they eat them? Well, let's go through talking about should we eat bugs at all? Let's see. Okay. Well, for centuries, like in the past, in BC, people have consumed bugs. Yeah, people have already consumed bugs before. Like for centuries, people have think that bugs are food. Like beetles, grasshopper, termites, dragonflies, all kinds of insects are considered able to eat, eatable, and yummy. Well, even the practice of eating also has a name called entomophagy. Entomophagy. Okay? Well, in the past, in ancient Greece, cicadas were luxury snacks. Yeah, and even those kings and queens love it. Yeah, we involved bugs. We involved bugs and became part of our dietary tradition. But right now, there are lots of rejection. There's lots of people who reject that bug is a food. There's reason. Around 10,000 BC, in the Fertile Crescent was a major birthplace of our culture. People have burned bugs at more pests and just make their crops die. People simply forgot their bug-rich history because they were urban it. Yeah, and from those they didn't accept that entomophagy anymore, and less of people are eating them. In the past, like the whole European eat that, yeah, and the whole Western East eat that. But look, now, in some couple hundred years later, people rejected it. But today, almost 2,000 insect species are food. And you know what? 2 billions, over 2 billions people are considering bugs are part of a dietary tradition and a part of everyday's meal. And sometimes people don't remember that bugs have 80% of proteins inside of them. Yeah. They have fat, they have fiber, they have vitamins, they have minerals, they have mineral irons, and even some of them have more or the same amount, like beef. Yeah. And a lot of people are eating bugs today. Yeah, like, look, people are not considering bugs as a pest that ruins their plants anymore. No, they don't. They consider them as nutrition, yummy food, and in time right now, you can see some people eating them online. You can see packages of fried grasshoppers, fried beetles, did you see those? Fried dragonflies, they everywhere. Every people eats them, like a lot. Yeah. In Vietnam, we also have people who eat insects. And some people think that some and some animals have a taste like popcorn or even shrimp. Yeah, that sounds strange, right? But it is. Okay, so bugs is a kind of animal that when they bring it to a meal, some people could reject it, but some people don't. They consider bugs as a part of their meal, and some people don't eat bugs like 100%. They there are some flowers that being crashed into flour. Yeah, so you see bugs everywhere. But after this video, you probably want to try some if you like. But don't go out in the garden, see an animal, and pick it inside your mouth. If it was not cooked, then sometimes it's going to be really harmed to you. So remember that and enjoy that crunch.